Introducing the Frigidaire 10,000 BTU Window Air Conditioner, a versatile cooling solution designed specifically for casement and sliding windows. With its powerful cooling capacity, user-friendly controls, and thoughtful features, this air conditioner aims to deliver efficient and customizable climate control for rooms up to 450 square feet. In this review, we will delve into the key aspects of this air conditioner, highlighting its design, cooling capabilities, ease of use, airflow control, filter maintenance, energy efficiency, and overall dimensions. Discover why this air conditioner is a noteworthy choice for those seeking effective and convenient cooling in non-standard window configurations. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Design and installation. This air conditioner is intelligently designed for casement window or sliding window installations. The package includes an installation kit, making it a breeze for those with non-standard window configurations. However, it's important to note that this unit is not suitable for standard double-hung windows. With a minimum window height requirement of 21.5 inches to a maximum of 40 inches, and a minimum width of 15.5 inches, this air conditioner offers versatility in window placement. Number 2. Cooling capacity. This air conditioner boasts a powerful 10,000 BTU capacity, making it capable of cooling a room up to 450 square feet. Whether you have a smaller bedroom or a spacious living room, this unit can effectively cool the space. Additionally, it offers dehumidification capabilities, removing up to 3.4 pints of moisture from the air per hour. Number 3. Ease of use. This air conditioner features user-friendly controls, including multi-speed electronic controls. The 24-hour on-off timer allows you to customize your cooling schedule, and the full-function remote control provides convenience from anywhere in the room. It also offers various modes such as auto-cool, energy saver mode, and sleep mode, catering to different comfort preferences. Number 4. Airflow control. This air conditioner offers a 4-way air direction feature, allowing you to direct the cool air precisely where you want it. The multi-speed fan with 3 fan speed options offers flexibility in maintaining your preferred temperature and comfort level. This enhances the overall cooling experience and ensures that air circulation is optimized. Number 5. Filter maintenance. Maintaining air quality is essential, and this air conditioner comes equipped with a washable mesh filter. The filter is easily accessible with front tilt-out access, simplifying cleaning and maintenance. Moreover, it includes a check filter alert to remind you when it's time for cleaning, ensuring efficient operation. Number 6. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is crucial for both cost savings and environmental considerations. This air conditioner boasts an energy efficiency ratio of 10.4, which is relatively good for a window air conditioner. While not Energy Star certified, it still offers reasonable efficiency in its cooling capacity. Number 7. Dimensions and appearance. This air conditioner comes in a clean and classic white color that should blend well with most room decors. Its compact dimensions make it relatively unobtrusive when installed, and it won't take up too much space in your window. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 14.5 inches depth by 23.5 inches width by 20.25 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Frigidaire 10,000 BTU Window Air Conditioner stands out as an excellent cooling solution for those with casement or sliding windows. Its specific design, robust cooling capacity, user-friendly features, and thoughtful details make it a reliable choice for maintaining comfort in rooms up to 450 square feet. With a focus on convenience, energy efficiency, and ease of maintenance, this unit offers a well-rounded cooling experience. If you're in search of an air conditioner that caters to non-standard window installations, this air conditioner is a solid and efficient choice for your cooling needs. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.